Hi guys! So yesterday's activity was vocabulary words and the definitions. Today's activity is going to be the paragraph. You guys should already kind of know the gist of it since you've already done this once. But again, what I am looking for this is either 6 separate paragraphs with one term in each or one larger paragraph with all 6 terms in them. I don't care how you do it. It just needs to be like 3 to 5 sentences long and it has to contain all 6 words. So, like I did last week and like I did yesterday, I have come up with an example for you guys using the word enclosed. So this is my paragraph. It is 3 sentences long, not super long, did not take long to write at all. So the paragraph reads, Emily grabbed the mail from the man's hands and gasped at the letter. She knew without opening it what was enclosed within it. Her father had finally written her back. So again, it's short and simple, to the point. It uses the word enclosed in the correct context that the definition is meaning. This is what I'm looking for from you guys. You did really well last week, so let's keep it up with this week. Again, same 6 vocabulary words as yesterday. Good luck, and I will see you tomorrow.